Tower 380 downwind.
380 report base.
Report base 382.
When you're about to stop, slow down the aircraft, apply brakes, dahan-dahan. Okay, reduce the power. Okay, slow down now. Start applying brakes slowly. Sige. Sige, kumakagat pang preno. Sige. Yan. Hanggang dyan lang tayo. Okay, preno. Okay. Puri content. Okay, for take off tayo ha. Surrender lang ha, huwag ipapa ng brake, okay? We'll apply full maximum power, okay? Tapos ang kamay dito na. When rest is alive, pag 60, pag natin pa-apply back pressure, dahan-dahan. Take off, okay?
Report.
For take off. Okay, taxi. Yan, pasok na tayo doon. Huwag ka dyan sa damuhan na. Yan. Okay. Sige. After this one, make 180, turn right. Okay, turn right. Okay, align mo muna. Yan, okay? Relax lang ha. Apply full power ha. Okay? Diyan lang. Neutral lang yan. Huwag mo muna atakin. Pag nag-60 na, pag sinabi ko okay, apply back pressure, that's the time you will apply. Okay?
Glidal Tower 380 to base.
Ready? Okay, go.
380 continue approach.
Yan lang yan.
Continue approach 382.